What is up, my friends? Welcome back to Kingdom Escapes. What can you see behind me? That is the Disney cruise called the Disney Magic, and we're about to go into a 6 night, 7 day cruise to the Western Caribbean. I am so excited. It's my first cruise ever, and I love that my first cruise ever was with Disney. So, won't you come with me and join this amazing adventure? Let's go.
Lost track of the forest through the trees, forgot what I was chasing. Spent so many nights living out at sea that my heart is gone vacant. And everybody who was close to me all stayed on dry land. So now I'm driving back on Interstate West. I just gotta feel something. Not gonna wait till the morning, because something's gonna change my mind.
Before we dive into everything this ship has to offer, let's take a quick trip back in time. Back in the mid 90s, Disney decided it was time to bring their signature magic to the seas. Until then, most cruise lines were focused on casinos and nightlife. But Disney, they wanted to create a cruise experience that was all about storytelling, family fun, and immersive entertainment. And in 1998, the Disney Magic set sail as Disney's very first cruise ship. It was a game changer, combining classic ocean liner elegance with Disney's signature attention to detail. From the moment it launched, the Magic set the standard for what a family friendly cruise could be. And even today, after more than 25 years, it still holds up as one of the most beloved ships in the fleet. Alright, now that we know where the Disney Magic came from, let's take a look at what's inside. Because trust me, there is a lot packed into this ship. Here are 3 fun facts about the Disney Magic that you probably didn't know. Number 1. The ship's horn plays not just When You Wish Upon a Star, but also other classic Disney tunes like Yo-Ho, A Pirate's Life for Me. Number 2. There are dozens of hidden Mickeys all over the ship. Yup, they've been there since 1998. Number 3. The ship's funnel isn't just for decoration. It actually hides the exhaust for the ship's engines. And fun fact, the second funnel is totally fake. It was built purely for aesthetics to match the look of the classic ocean liners. So, whether you're sailing for the first time or the 10th time, the Disney Magic truly lives up to its name. It's a ship designed not just to take you to amazing destinations, but to bring you a part of the adventure itself. Okay, let's be real. There is nothing like that first moment stepping onto a Disney cruise. You can feel the excitement in the air. It's like stepping into a real-life fairy tale, but one that comes with unlimited ice cream. It is stunning. The golden glow, the grand staircase, the chandelier sparkling overhead. This is where the magic officially begins. Now, let's check out my home for the next few days. I booked an inside stateroom, which means it's cozy and it gets really dark when it's time to go to sleep.
I've been falling into circles again. It happens every time I think about you. I bet this isn't how you remember me at all. 'Cause I go one step closer to bed before the midnight hour, and I'm just waiting for a faded lift to ride home. One step closer to bed before the midnight hour, and I'm just waiting to do it all over. Don't keep sailing away into the edge of time, and wake up to find it all slipping away. In the dark, in the rain, I was breaking
One of the most energetic moments was the sail away party on deck. It was wild. Characters are out, the music is blasting, everyone's dancing, and you suddenly realize this is it. We're officially leaving the real world behind to navigate on this adventure.
Disney Magic, you're on vacation!
And just like that, another adventure comes to a close. But here's the thing, Disney magic isn't just in the shows or the food or the destinations. It's in the little moments. The laughter of families, the quiet ocean breeze at night, the way the ship lights up just before you head to bed. And that is why a Disney cruise is a unique experience unlike anything else. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss what's coming up next. And if you're ready to plan your own magical adventure at sea, you know where to find me. Until next time, my friends, my name is Pepe, and you're watching Kingdom Escapes channel. Goodbye.